Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Plunge out the water after shutting off the water supply valve. Place the flange of a toilet plunger, also called a closet plunger, firmly into the drain hole in the bottom of the toilet bowl. Plunge with an up and down motion to get most of the water out of the bowl. This should also force out any clog into the drain.
Take our lead.
Do not pour boiling water down your sink or toilet. In addition, using boiling water to clear a clogged toilet can melt the wax ring around the toilet, or even crack the porcelain bowl, leading to a pricey trip to your favorite hardware store. 2 January 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
To unclog a toilet without a plunger, head to the kitchen for some dish soap. The slippery soap should help lubricate the clogged pipe and allow the lodged debris to slide down more easily. Pour about a half cup into the toilet.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Get a good seal on the toilet drain, that is, make sure you're covering the entire drain or you won't have enough pressure to loosen the clog. Cover the plunger in water. You need water, not air, pressure to loosen the clog. If your toilet lacks water, pour in enough water till the plunger is covered. 1 October 2015.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.